Today we are going to discuss about patterns in whole number. So patterns help us in simplifying the processes without actually calculating. While observing the patterns, we usually recognize or extend the pattern or analyze the described pattern or supply some missing parts of the given patterns. For example, suppose we are writing 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Now see that if I am telling what is I am putting in the blank portion, now we have to see that the numbers, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6. What is this? This is the multiple of 2. So in that respect, we have to write 8 here. Okay, this is a pattern. Similarly, you can say that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 ... are the odd numbers. So that means they are in a pattern. Okay, so these are the patterns. Okay, we have to recognize and extend the pattern like that. So in addition, subtraction, all things are there. Suppose in multiple pattern, 1 into 1, that means 1. 1, 1 into 1, 1, that means 1, 2, 1. Then 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1, that means 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. No, that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So like that, when we are just enlarging this, these are going through a pattern. So we have to see the pattern and you have to write the number like that. This is called the pattern of the numbers. Now, see that magic square. So what is the magic square? Magic square means this is a 9, 12 or 16 like that digits number are there. You have to add or subtract row wise or column wise or diagonal wise. That means you have to simplify or you have to just recognize the pattern of the addition, of the diagonal addition, of the row wise addition, the column wise addition. You have to diagonalize. Then you have to find the other numbers in the boxes. Now, for example, see that this is a 9 box up there. Now, if we write 8, 1, 6, 3, 5, 7, 4, 9, 2. Now if we add row wise, that means row means this wise and column means this wise. This is called column and this is called row. So row wise is 15 addition and column wise also 15 and diagonal wise, this is diagonal, is also 15. So all are 50. So you have to create the numbers or you have to put the numbers like that. The all are 15 over there. Now we are going to discuss exercise. So now see that in 1 and 1 exercise 2b, one divided by 3 this is 37. 2 divided by 6 is 37. 3 divided by 9 is 37. 4 divided by 12 is 37. Now the pattern is, see that this is 1 1 1, 2 2 2, 3 3 3, 4 4 4. Okay, like that. That means 1 1 1 into 1 divided by 3 into 1. Clear? This is the pattern. Next is 1 1 1 into 2 by 3 into 2. That means this is same, because if we subtract, multiple and divide with same number, then this remaining is same number. Okay, that means next is 111 into 3 by 3 into 3. That means 3 cancel. So 113 by 3, that means 37. So all R belongs to the 37. This is the pattern here. Okay, this is the pattern. So 111 into number 1 by 3 into 1. Similarly 111 into 2 by 3 into 2, and 111 into 3 by 3 into 3, and 111 into 4 by 3 into 4. The same pattern will be there. Similarly 111 into 5, that means 555. Okay, 555 divided by 15, that means 37. 5 gone. 666 divided by 18, that means this is 37. 777 divided by 21, that means 37. So this is the process. Thus you have to just clarify, recognize the pattern. So here the pattern is 111 into 1 by 3 into 1. Similarly this portion is changed. 1 becomes 2, 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 3, 3 becomes 4, whatever may be. You can write up to infinity. This answer is 37 because these are multiply and divided. So any number is multiply and divided, always we get the same number. That means the answer is always 111 by 3. Okay. Now this is the pattern of this question. Now next, number 2. See that. Now in number 2, see that observe the following pattern and answer the question that follows. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 given. That means 15. Next one number is gone. So 2 is here starting. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20. And next 3 is coming here. This is 25. So this is the pattern here. Now the question is, by which number should we multiply the middle number to get the sum? So what is the middle number here? The middle numbers are this. Okay, the middle numbers are 3, 4 and 5. So that means we are multiplying it by 5. Okay, so by 5, 3 into 5, see that? 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 5, 20, and 5 into 5, that is 25. So all number are multiplied by 5, then we get the answer. So by 5 we are multiplying here to get the sum. Next, number 2. See that, write the row of the pattern which gives the sum 75. Oh good. Now you have to continue this. Next is starting from 4, 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Next up to that 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, like that you have to continue. After 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17, then we get 75. So up to that you have to do it. Okay, up to that you have to do it. Now in number 3, see that, can there be any row of the pattern which gives the sum of 92? No, because 92 is not multiple of 5. 92 is not multiple of 5. That means this cannot be appeared here. Okay, so this is number 2. Now we are going to start number 3. Okay, note it down all of it. In 3, see that So magic square is given in 3 and 1. So in 3 and 1 numbers are given 9, 2, 5 and 8. Now suppose I am telling this is I am choosing number 15. I am choosing number 15. So the diagonal is 15. The columns are 15 and the rows are 15. All are 15. The rows are 15, the diagonals are 15 and the columns are 15. Alls. Okay. Now see that this is 1. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1. This is 50. Now this is 6. If this is 6, this is 15. Now 6 plus 2, 8. This is 7. 6 plus 5, 11. This is 4. And this is also 3. Now take it. All this. 4 plus 3 plus 8, 15. 9 plus 5 plus 1, 15. 2 plus 7 plus 6, 15. Okay. 9 plus 4 plus 2, 15. 3 plus 5 plus 7, 15. 8 plus 1 plus 7, 6, 15. Diagonally, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 2 plus 5 plus 8, this is also 15. So all additions are 15. That means these are okay. Okay. Now, next one. Number 3. Now in 3 and 3, see that 4 into 4 magic square is given. 16 boxes there. So now someone is questioning, sir, how will you get, you know that you have to just add up to 15 or 20. How can I say that? Some problems are like that, you have to choose, or some problems a hint is there, you have to find the hints. So in this question, hint is given, that means the rows are given. Okay, the rows are given, columns are given, diagonals are given. So in diagonals, all the numbers are there. See that? 12 plus 2 plus 12, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 17, this is 38. So it's diagonally given 38. That means the addition is you have to create 38 for all rows, all column and all diagonals. Now see that 2, 15, 16. So 2 plus 15, this is 17. 17 plus 16, this is 33. 33 plus 5, 38. Clear? Okay. Now this one. 2 plus 11, 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 14, this is 25. That means this is 13. 13 plus 17, 30. That means this is 8. 15 plus 12, 27, 27 plus 8, 35, 35 and 3, this is 38. 14 plus 3, 17, 7 to 17, 34, that means 4. And these two similar. So 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 17, that means 32, that means 6. And this is 11 plus 16, 11 plus 16, that is 27, that is 11. So this is the filled. Okay. Now you add all these things, you get row wise or column wise, whatever, you get always 38, which is the patterns. Okay, this is the patterns of the question. Now rest of the sums are homework, and submit your homework by today. Thank you all of you. Take care. Bye bye.